So you want to create AI storytelling videos but have no idea where to begin? Well, worry not, because I've got you covered in this video. First of all, you need to head over to Chatgpt so you can get your storyline and also the prompts you're going to use to generate the images. So first we have to get our story, just like I have done here. I've got a nice 150-word story for two friends who lived in a village. And what you have to do with this is copy the first paragraph here and then head over to this website, Elevenlabs.io. And here we will be generating our voiceovers from the text. So simply paste over our text from the Chatgpt, just like that. And then you can select the voice. I'm gonna keep Rachel here. You can go ahead and try them out and see which one suits to your needs. Then once you are happy with the settings, simply click on the generate button.
Quaint village of Eldridge, two inseparable friends, Lily and Oliver.
And as you can hear, we have gotten a really nice voiceover. And what we have to do is click on this download button you see down here, and that will download this audio for us. Simply save it on your location and then you're good to go. And the next step is to generate our images. For that, we're gonna use Leonardo AI. If you don't already know how to use it, we have created a lot of videos you can check out on our channel. Simply click on the launch app button so you can sign up and start using this app. And here we have to head over to the AI image generation section where we will be generating our images. Let's quickly go over the basics of this app. So on the left panel, you have this credit system, meaning you have 150 credits, and each image generation takes about a few credits. And you can choose the number of images here. You have some options for alchemy and photoreal. You can keep them disabled as I have. You can choose the dimensions of the image, and the most important factor here, the aspect ratio. You also have some manual controls for width, height, and also guidance scale if you're using image to image option. Right now, you don't have to worry much about these. And now we have to go back to Chatgpt to get our prompts, just like we have generated. So I'm going to copy the first prompt here and come back to our Leonardo app and paste it in the prompt section. And once we are happy with that, we can click on the generate button. But before that, we need to select our model. And for that, I'm going to go with Adobe XL because that is the most result-oriented in my experience. You can also try the animation style model, as that gives me good results as well. But I told you about Adobe because that is usually the best when I am using this app. And as you can see, clearly we have gotten some good looking images which we can use from. And this is looking very paint-like or like a sketch. And this looks absolutely stunning. I mean, just look at the details here. And also these images are completely in a 3D animation style. They look photorealistic to the 3D animation style as well. You can have a look. Now we can also go ahead and generate more of these images. For example, we have seasonal changes. So we can copy this prompt from here and then come back here on Leonardo AI and paste our prompt so we can generate these images. And we can also try around a lot of other options. For example, we have Dream Shaper. We can try this one as well. And here we have gotten some seasonal images as well. And this was from the 3D animation style. And now we've gotten some from the Dream Shaper as well. Although they have given us images in a collage format, but we can still use them. And the single image here looks quite similar to how we have gotten here on the 3D animation style. So what we're gonna do here as well, we need to download these images. So I'm gonna download them one by one and save them on my computer. And once you have downloaded your material and you're ready to go, the next step is to open up the editor of your choice. For me, it's Adobe Premiere Pro, and then drag in all of our photos, first of all, and then also our voiceover. And now we have them in our project, so we can simply drag in our images here. And now we have our images in a sequence. The next thing we have to do is drag in our voiceover. So now we have our voiceover here as well. We can crop this up to match our voiceover. And now if you play this video.
In the quaint village of Eldridge, two inseparable friends, Lily and Oliver, shared a bond as strong as the ancient oak tree that stood at the heart of their community. From childhood escapades through sunlit meadows to quiet moments by the riverbank, their friendship blossomed like wildflowers in the spring.
Well, that was it for today's tutorial. I really hope you enjoyed watching. Consider leaving a like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.